Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Convection Microwave Oven. It's a really generous size. It's 1 cubic foot, and it's also 1,000 watts of power. The exterior is brushed stainless steel, as is the frame around the front. It also has a nice touchpad control here. Has a nice tinted window, and you open it by pressing this button, and the door opens like so. And you'll notice inside it's also all stainless steel. The other thing is it has a removable grill rack, which you use in 2 different positions, the high position or the low position, depending on what you're going to do. And you'll notice inside there's also a carousel, and this has a 12-inch glass plate on it. It's totally removable so that it's easy to clean. I'm going to put that back inside. It also, you'll notice that it has a lot of nice features and functions here. I'm going to go over a few of them with you, but not all of them. You have 9 presets on the top, also a clock, which the clock is programmed by using the clock function and then just putting in the time. The clock function is here. Now the 9 presets have multiple sizes when you get into the presets. So some of the most often used ones say popcorn, 1.7 ounce size, 3 ounce size, 3.5 ounce size. The same thing goes for potato. You have 1, 2, or 3 potatoes, and then you would normally just hit start to use the function. It also has presets for beverage, reheat, fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables. You also have roast chicken, cake, and pizza. In the next section here you have your functions. You have microwave, convection, convection roast, convection fast bake, grill combo, keep warm, defrost, and defrost works by both weight and I believe food type. Also has a memory function. And in here you'll notice there's a number pad. It also has degrees on it, so you could do fast setting degrees when you're using the baking type functions. Like I mentioned, it has a clock, stop and clear function, kitchen timer, and also your start button. The great thing about this product is it's a generous size. You can use it when you need an extra oven in your kitchen when you're entertaining, but it also meets your everyday needs for microwave cooking. The great thing about it too is it has opportunity to use it in combination cooking. So you can do a lot of the features and function in combination with each other. You can also do a lot of programming with it. It's really convenient and easy to use. It's beautifully styled, has lots of great features and functions. And there you have it, the Cuisinart Convection Microwave Oven.
Did you know that we're all using our microwaves incorrectly? Cooking everything at high power is actually not the best way to reach healthy, delicious results. The problem is that most microwaves don't really have low power levels. Instead, they pulse on and off high power, leading to inconsistent results, hot and cold spots, undercooked centers, and liquid splatters. Panasonic's patented inverter technology puts an end to all of that frustration. With a steady stream of cooking power at all power levels, foods come out evenly cooked every time. Inverter microwaves have other advantages as well. With a smaller, more efficient motor, Panasonic inverter microwaves have much larger interior cavities, maximizing the interior space while minimizing the overall footprint on your counter. Inverter is also more efficient. Our powerful microwaves cook food up to 40% faster than non-inverter models. And we didn't just invent inverter technology for microwaves. We've continued to innovate and refine that technology and are proud to be the #1 inverter microwave brand in the US today. Our Genius Sensor technology takes the guesswork out of microwaving, detecting the moisture level in your food, and then defrosting, reheating, and cooking to perfection. Basics like potatoes, popcorn, and beverages come out exactly the way you want them. And our auto-cook menus make cooking fresh and frozen vegetables, entrees, and snacks fast and easy. And our easy clean interiors make cleanup quick and convenient. With a combination of inverter and Genius Sensor technology, Panasonic microwaves empower you to defrost, reheat, and cook with confidence. Features like Keep Warm, Turbo Defrost, and Child Lock are designed for convenience and ease for both everyday and entertaining. For smart, fast, beautiful appliances that are built to last, trust Panasonic.
Enjoy the crispiest, crunchiest, most craveable version of your favorite fried foods without the grease or the guilt. Air fry mode uses a broil element, a heated convection fan, and venting on both sides of the microwave for even heat distribution and air circulation, creating a fully fried texture without using oil. And with 9 presets to choose from, you can cook fresh and frozen foods to perfection while saving time and effort.
Not all microwaves are created equal. Panasonic technology is the pinnacle of microwave innovation. To start, our microwaves feature a Genius sensor. The Genius sensor takes the guesswork out of microwaving, detecting the moisture level in your food, and then defrosting, reheating, and cooking to perfection. Basics like potatoes, popcorn, and beverages come out exactly the way you want them. And our auto-cook menus make cooking fresh and frozen vegetables, entrees, and snacks fast and easy. But the Genius sensor is only the beginning. To produce the healthiest, most delicious results in your microwave, Panasonic developed our patented cyclonic inverter technology. Traditional microwaves use only high power and don't have true low-power cooking. Instead, they pulse on and off of high power, leading to inconsistent results, hot and cold spots, undercooked centers, and liquid splatters. Panasonic's patented cyclonic inverter technology puts an end to all of that frustration. With a steady stream of cooking power at all power levels, foods come out evenly cooked every time. The advanced cyclonic wave pattern lets you expect consistent, even results across everything from a cup of coffee to a full family dinner. Our spacious microwaves mean you no longer need to wait in line for your turn. And our easy clean interiors make cleanup quick and convenient. Features like Keep Warm, Turbo Defrost, and Child Lock are designed for convenience and ease, for both everyday and entertaining. Powerful, innovative, cyclonic inverter technology for smart, fast, beautiful appliances that are built to last. Trust Panasonic.
Achieve perfect results with GE's convenience cooking controls. Express Cook gives you a quick way to set cooking time for up to 6 minutes. Plus, easy selection controls make sure everything from popcorn to hot cocoa is prepared just the way you like it at the touch of a button.